Okay. Today topic insulin shock therapy. Main here insulin shock therapy means whoever have to the psychiatric symptoms in that psychiatric problem, whoever have to the psychiatric problem, and that time who have to the hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia means low blood sugar levels, means total like a hypoglycemia. Means hypoglycemia whoever have to the psychiatric patients, that time you can provide to the insulin shock therapy. Main here this insulin shock therapy involves to the insulin induced hypoglycemia is a patient. This insulin shock therapy to provide induced to the hypoglycemic patient. Hypoglycemia means like a decrease of the blood sugar levels. That patients you can provide to the insulin shock therapy. Main this primary use of treatment to the provide relief from schizophrenia. Whoever have to the schizophrenia condition, in that people also have to the sometimes low blood sugar levels. That time you can provide of this treatment, you can relieve of the symptoms of schizophrenia. And however, it was also use of the treatment anorexia and morphine. See, anorexia means loss of appetite, means nobody will, loss of appetite means no hungry properly. That time what happened? Not taking properly food means they get to the energy loss. Energy loss means automatic blood glucose levels also will less. That's why that time you can use of the treatment to the anorexia patients and morphine addiction. Means morphine you can provide. Morphine means this is one of the relief of the severe pain. Morphine drug is one of the relief of the severe pain. Means the people also will get to the sometimes body pains. That's why you can provide of the morphine. This is a insulin shock therapy. Main insulin shock therapy you can provide to the hypoglycemia patient, and this main insulin shock therapy treatment like a relief of the symptoms of schizophrenia. You can provide anorexia patients, and you can provide the morphine drug also. Main this insulin shock therapy also called as insulin coma therapy. Coma therapy, why call it means whoever in coma means whoever like unconscious, that time they people's also low blood sugar levels. That's why you can provide up the insulin shock therapy. That is also called as insulin coma therapy. Main this was a form of psychiatric treatment in which a patient were repeatedly injected with a large doses. Means psychiatric treatment repeatedly you can provide. Why means they not reduce of the means againly you can repeatedly you can provide the treatment with large doses. Because of why large doses means not reducing na, that's why you can provide up the large dose of the insulin to the patients and produce to the daily coma over several weeks. Whoever in coma several weeks you can provide to the insulin shock therapy. Because of why means that unconscious coma patients they can't take properly na anything. That's why you can provide up the more large dose up to the insulin shock therapy to the several weeks. Main this insulin shock therapy introduced by 1933. Who introduced by means Polish psychiatrist Manfred Shackle. This person only introducing of the insulin shock therapy 1933. But starting like a 1900 to 57. In 1900 to 57, in between 1933 is there na, that time introducing they were started and exposing of the and providing of the like a 1933 1900 to 57. Main this year use of extensively in the 1940 and 1950s. This main introducing 1933, but using of the this drugs 1900 to 57. In 1900 to 57 mean like a 1940 years and 1950 year. That time they starting of the providing of the inducing of the insulin shock therapy in this particular year. Main this insulin shock therapy main for schizophrenia before falling out of favor and being replaced by neuroleptic drugs. Some people will get to the schizophrenia. Before schizophrenia, they will suddenly fall down. Fall down means like a getting of giddiness, totally fall down, they will get to the unconscious like a coma. that patients you can provide of the neuroleptic drugs. Neuroleptic drugs means like antipsychotic drugs. You can relieve of the psychiatric symptom. That's why you can provide the neuroleptic or antipsychotic drugs. Main this insulin shock therapy was first biological treatment for schizophrenia. This insulin shock therapy is one of the biological treatment for to the schizophrenia patients. It was far more successful than any other treatment. For very long places, they were successful of the insulin shock therapy to the patients in very far areas. And this treatment tried prior to use of the continued to be used for nearly 40 years throughout the world. This insulin shock therapy providing and starting of the nearly 40 years. Nearly 40 years in the world they're using of the insulin shock therapy. This main insulin shock therapy using of in the far areas. And this main the development of the technique led to further investigation into biological cues for mental diseases. Then we can start with the investigations. What investigation related to mental status examination, physical examination, whatever investigation is, the total you can do the investigations after you can identify the mental diseases, related mental diseases, you can curable to the particular mental disorders. The field of psychiatry in general began to see anatomical gains. Means the field of psychiatry general begins to see. Means began to see means anatomical means I think so. In Bengali, Jyotisha Bidya Sankranta, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
You know, na?
Yes, ma'am.
That astronomical, that like a Jyotish Bidya Sankarta, that may having to the on the earth, I mean on the upper sky areas means 9 grains have that 9 grains you seen means you getting a giddiness how na like this psychiatric in general began to anatomical gains astronomical gains as a direct result in this technique. You directly seeing that how they go how they have in this on this day you seeing direct means you can get the result now. Like this year also, the psychiatry doctor will around the world were led to study the field. How many people's affecting in the world wise? How they're affecting of the like this particular problem? The doctors also directly they will get the result of the particular studies about the particular conditions. That is a make like a what doctor investigation. Mainly is techniques. Here treatment usually started with the 20 units. You can provide like a treatment start to the insulin. 20 units insulin given intramuscularly. 20 units of that injection like insulin you can give to the IM intramuscularly. And the dose was increased by 20 units each day. Each day you can increase up the 20 units. Why means because of sulfur. SOFR means SOFR means abnormal deep sleep. Whoever abnormally deep sleep, that time extra 20 units of insulin you can provide to the abnormal deep sleep peoples. And once coma was induced, the insulin dose was adjusted until the minimum satisfactory coma dose was found. Once the patient is coma means they at least cannot adjusting now. That time you can provide up the more extra units of the insulin to the coma patients. Automatically they will they will get the normal only. Next, once the patient starting a coma, once they entering up the like just starting period, like they have in the coma means that time automatic coma period very length means some days, months, some years also some people have to be in the coma. That time what you will do increasingly gradually from 5 minutes on the first day up to individual maximum safe duration anywhere from the 20 minutes to few hours. Starting 5 minutes not that is not a safe duration because I'm starting only they're getting up the coma means they will do the something total hands shaking and total hair pulling total they're only doing affecting up the like dangerously now starting coma began starting 5 minutes only. Once after 20 minutes finish means the patient coma patient is very safe duration. That time you can provide up the insulin shock therapy. Next, the coma stage was particularly dangerous. This coma stage is very particular dangerous because why means in coma time also they will die. Like that because of no functioning properly in the coma time means they will die immediately. That's why coma stage one of the very dangerous. And as a doctors had to monitor vital signs. Whenever patient coma, that time doctors will observe of the vital signs. Make sure the patient did not follow deeply into the irreversible coma or death. You can make to the patient did not follow. Once some patient coma patient suddenly getting consciousness means suddenly they will fall down of the down. That's why make means did not follow totally. You can take care of the patient and surrounding of the patient. You can keep up the side rails like a cart side rails. They can't fall down. And some people immediately they will go to the irreversible coma. Means irreversible getting up the full coma means they will sometimes they will death also. Like this I have to the some coma patients. And next one, epileptic fits began to occur within approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour. Epileptic fits. Fits means total body shaking in the saliva coming in on the mouth. Like that fits whoever starting begin means that time automatically the fits have to be within approximately 40 minutes to 1 hour. Like that only they will get to the sometimes fits only. They could not last for several minutes, even up to an hour. Sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes 50 minutes, sometimes 1 hour, 45 minutes, like that they have to the epileptic fits. At that time, we can provide the insulin shock therapy. Main is the patient was brought out of the coma through the use of sugar tea solution. Whoever in coma patients also very less of the blood sugar levels. That's why you can provide the sugar tea solution to the coma patients. And how do you can provide the coma patients? Means the coma patient is a unconscious, na? Then how they will take up the sugar tea solution? Anybody have idea? Don't know?
No, ma'am.
Very large, easy question. They in coma means how they can't take orally. You can provide the like a nasal tube. You can insert up the nasal tube to the stomach. After you can provide to the feeding like this. Also, you see in some way some hospitals they can't take up the orally means they'll give injections or something IV fluids in the IV area. But here food how you can provide means like a naso tube and epigastric like a endotracheal tube. This external tubes is the like that artificially you can provide to the parenterally. Parenteral means without oral. You can provide the sugar tea solution with the nasal tube to the stomach. The tube is a nose to up to stomach connection. That time you can provide up the sugar tea solution in the nasal minutes intravenously. In case that also you providing tea solution, that time also not wake up in means just immediately you can provide up the insulin intravenously. Insulin drugs you can provide to the glucose intravenously. Insulin injection of glucose you can provide to the patient. After, once the patient fully awake, he could be given a light meal. Once awake, that patient means immediately like it could be little bit awake means that time you can provide the light meal, not a full, just light meal, soft like a less only. After shock sometimes would occur even after the patient awake, and this typically began within 4 hours. After shock, they will getting wake up means within 4 hours, you can start up the insulin shock therapy. This is like a technically. Next mechanism of action. Main this Shackle suggested. Shackle means particularly suggest the insulin coma therapy worked by causing intensification of the tonus of the parasympathetic end of the autonomic nervous system. Whoever to the any tone problem like a muscle tone problem in the parasympathetic and any nervous system problem, that time only you can start and you can introduce of the and you can start working to the insulin shock therapy. Because of why means autonomic nervous system problem, parasympathetic nervous system problem have means that time automatic they will get to the coma. That's why that time you can start up the insulin shock therapy. Next, by blockading the nerve cell and by strengthening the anabolic force which induce the restoration of the normal functioning. See, sometimes total nerve cells will block. Anabolic force means you can observe to the all, means observe with the total body functioning. Possibly, you can observe why means once blockage of the cells means that time cells not functioning in the total body. That time stem cells, T cells, beta cells, alpha cells is the na. That cells total less means what happened? That time sugar levels also very decreasing. That's why sometimes whenever blockaging of the nerve cells and any cells, that time they'll get to the problem. That's why immediately you can restoration of the normal function to the nerve cell and recover to the patient. How you can recover of the patient means insulin shock therapy recovery to the patient. And the shock therapies in generally had developed on the erroneous premise that epilepsy and schizophrenia. This main shock therapy can generally you can develop to the some people. So who's that people means epilepsy, schizophrenia. Epilepsy means like a convulsive, like a convulsive fits that time, and schizophrenia. Schizophrenia means disturbance of the mind. The two condition peoples you can provide of the shock in the particular same patient only. And insulin shock therapy, whenever giving now, that time sometimes side effects you have. What that side effects means? Epileptic fits. Epileptic fits means like like a fits, seizures, convulsive, like that. They like that they will get to the sometimes in the like a side effects to the insulin shock therapy. And respiratory problem. How respiratory problem means? Because the patient is in coma, that patient suddenly there is aspiration of the saliva. Whatever saliva in the mouth, suddenly they will aspiration coma patients. They don't know, but that total receiving like of the inside of the heart. That time what happen? Respiratory problem will start. And irreversible coma. Sometimes they will get to the irreversible coma and dehydration also. Why dehydration means hypoglycemic reactions. When low blood sugar levels reactions will so means automatic they will get to the dehydration. And death. Some people's insulin shock therapy, whoever giving to the patient not cooperating the body means sometimes they will also death. This is a insulin shock therapy. Okay, anybody have doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Oh, today 58 members attending. Very good. Daily you can attend like this. Z only party members, Y group only party members, X group good. Okay, nobody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I can leave. Thank you, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank